to my channel Technology. So today is the 8th episode of our series Editing with DK. So today I'll be showing you how to add tattoos to yourself in Snapseed. So with that being said, do like, share, do comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is download the PNG images of the tattoo. So over here I've already downloaded it. So after downloaded it, you have to go into your file manager, search the downloaded image. Over here it is in the download folder. So now just rename it with JPG. So after you have renamed it, if you want you can download another PNG. I'll show you how to do it. So just click on this and click on download image, and now just rename it to .jpg. Now rename it to .jpg. Replace the PNG with .jpg. You have to do this, as you know Snapseed doesn't support PNG images. So after downloading, now just open Snapseed and import the photo where you have to add the tattoo. So now choose one of the preset whichever you like, or you can manually edit the picture. Over here I'll choose the preset. After you have added preset, go into double exposure, add the image. Now just set it to overlay, and now adjust it according to the hand. So after you've done it, set the opacity. After setting the opacity, click on the apply option. Now go into the view edits, go into double exposure brush option. Now invert the effect, and now erase the remaining part from the image. You have to do this properly to give a proper effect, to make it realistic. After done with the, now make the brush 200. Now just draw on the hand to give a proper effect. So after done with this, click on the apply option. Now go into the edit option and change the opacity. So now to give the realistic look, go into the black and white, and now take one of the preset whichever you like, adjust the brightness, and I just click on apply. So as you can see, we have added a tattoo on the body. So guys, this was all for this video. I hope you like this video, and to stay tuned with this series, do subscribe our channel and turn the notification on of our channel. So see you, tata, bye bye, thank you.